Welcome back, and speaking of horses, we turn now to Brooklyn, New York.
Where there is an aggressive squirrel terrorizing Prospect Park.
For more on that, we turn to our correspondent, Rich, live on the scene.
That's right. I'm down here live in Prospect Park at the infamous site of the squirrel attack. I am standing here right now with the suspect, Mr. Squirrel.
Suspect.
I think we're having some problems. Mike, would you say that one more time, Mr. Squirrel?
Yeah, I'm just saying that just because my picture is in the paper, that don't make me a suspect.
Right. Well, Mr. Squirrel, the people want to know why.
I'll tell you why. I am tired of this nutty gentrification, man.
Gentrification?
Yeah, listen, man. I've lived in this neighborhood for years, way before the Whole Foods and the high rents. I lived here when nobody wanted to live here, and I never picked anyone. Old people would come to the park and feed me nuts. Real nuts, not organic junk from Whole Foods. And let me be clear, I'm not aggressive. I mean, I could be, since I have teeth and I have rabies, but I'm not.
Okay, Mr. Squirrel.
Hey, I have a name. Call me Mike.
All right, Mike. Why don't you talk us through the attack?
I'm afraid I can't do that because I didn't attack, all right? Fake news. Don't print that.
Yeah, well, we are on live television, and you are being a bit aggressive, so if you would mind toning that down just a little bit.
Okay, so I'm minding my own business. I'm doing my squirrel thing.
Your squirrel thing. I believe we have a picture of that, yeah? We all know what that squirrel thing is, don't we?
That's right. I'm minding my own business, swirling around, and this Brooklyn transplant starts feeding me nuts. I think they were organic nuts because they tasted funny, but nuts are nuts. It was cool at first, until he tried to touch my nuts.
Excuse me?
You heard me. He gave me some nuts, and then he tried to take them. He tried to touch my nuts. And everybody knows you don't touch a squirrel's nuts, so I bit him.
Oh, all right. Well, it sounds like to me like he was trying to feed you. That's no reason to bite the hand that feeds you.
Look, Mr. Reporter.
Mr. Squirrel?
Mike.
Oh, all right. Mike? All right, why don't you just, tell us a little more.
So listen, your food sucks nuts, and you know what else sucks? Your damn MTA.
Oh, the MTA? Problem with the MTA too, huh?
Yeah, every New Yorker hates them. What, you think you're the only one?
No, I figured, squirrels. I thought rats took the train.
Oh, you son of a nut. I should scratch your eyes out.
Oh, wait, again, there we are again with the aggressiveness.
Yeah, I take the train. You think only rats take the train? I work in Jersey at the Planner's Peanut Plant. I'm gonna retire in 6 months.
Oh, wow, so you have to take the MTA and the New Jersey Transit.
Do you really want to get me started on New Jersey Transit?
No. So why don't you just, move to Jersey? Why don't you move out to Jersey?
Because if I move out, then they win. But I'm serious, I got a good deal on my tree.
Oh, really? Because I've been looking to move to Brooklyn myself. You said your neighborhood has a Whole Foods?
Oh my God, you nuthole, you're a gentrifier. I am sick and tired of you nutheads with your G trains and those nutty subway ads telling folks to welcome the raccoons and the deer. No mention of me.
All right. Well, stop. You're getting aggressive. Please.
I'll attack you.
Yeah, no, stop, don't, get up! 6 people